coming from Grand Cayman. So first of all, we are with Raymond, who's on the phone right now. He is the Alfred to Batman of Grand Cayman, has been for 15 years. We'll meet Raymond a little bit later. But this is Grand Cayman Group Influence. We're going to be sharing a bunch from here. But we're talking about getting high. And this is our bus.
Friends.
Yes, where's everybody? So nobody came, and that's why the bus is empty. No, of course, staff. That is not why the bus is empty. We're headed up to Macabuca, a magical place to go scuba diving, and we're going to talk about how you get high all day today. Because there's a lot of different ways to get high, and a lot of beautiful choices. And some might be, some might be higher vibrational. That is not what we mean, but one of them potentially is that. Yeah, but there's choices, and how we make those choices. And this is our amazing bus. This is the incredible bus for Raymond, and we'll have many, many friends on this bus, but we're getting the day started. Tink and the rest of the team's finishing getting certified. We'll take it certified. Walker School is, and we're gonna go do some magical things in a place called Macabuca, and we're gonna get high. So we'll see you in a little bit from Grand Cayman while we get high and you evaluate